Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here, and I'm back sharing another Poundland DIY with you guys. I have these beautiful canvases and I'm going to turn them into beautiful glittered wall arts. Thank you all very much for coming. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and check us out. Hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. I would appreciate it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all very much for coming time and time again. Thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you all. So here I am guys, going ahead to tape off my canvas. And I'm working with two canvases today, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing on both of them. I'm taping it off so I can go ahead and spray paint the border that's on the canvas. It's got some wooden borders and I want to spray paint those gold. So I'm just taping off back and front and also covering with wallpaper so the middle of the canvas is not painted on as well. So just keep watching guys and you will see how I transform these canvases. I've used Mod Podge, glitter, crushed glass, crushed mirror, and I've crushed it all myself as well. So you will see what I do with these canvases, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And also guys, comment down below and let me know what you think of my canvases. These Poundland canvases, how I transform them. They turned out so beautifully. So keep watching guys and you will see the process. Thank you all very much for watching. So after my canvas is dried, I'm now removing the tape so I can go ahead and paint my canvases. I'm just going ahead now to mix my paint. I'm using gray paint and the gray paint is quite light, so I'm just adding a bit of black to get a darker shade gray. I am now just adding some gold paint, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my glass fillers, these glass clear beads, and crush them to make my crushed glass. I've already had crushed mirrors and some table scatters, and I'm just gonna mix them all together and use my Mod Podge and add them to my canvas. So keep watching guys, and thank you for being here if you're still here with me. added my glitter, my crushed glass, and I'm just adding some of these silver beads that I had from Poundland as well. And I'm just going to now go ahead and let my canvas dry properly. And here is the finished product, guys. This turned out so beautifully. They look so high-end, and you wouldn't believe that these are Poundland canvases. These canvases did not cost me much, so I'm happy with the way they turned out. I hope you guys like it. If you do, if you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button and comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm loving my canvas, and I'm just gonna use command strips to hang them onto the wall, because with the crushed glass they're a bit heavy, so I have to use the heavy duty command hooks to hang my canvases, and they are beautiful. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video.